Oh, haven't you got my glasses yet? Please get them so I can see the llamas. Jimmy, please get the stompers as they are upsetting the llamas. Good one, Jimmy. Jimmy, one's escaped. Quick, get it! Another one has escaped, Jimmy. I think you better close the door next time. Good work, Jimmy. Oh, here's that key I found. I hope it's useful. Please find my glasses, Jimmy. Jimmy, where are my glasses? Hey, Jimmy, can you give me back my glasses, please? Jimmy, I really need my glasses! Hey, Jimmy, I found a key on the way in. I'll give it to you when all the llamas are safe. Hey, nice one, Jimmy. Now you just need to get the rest of them in. Good one, Jimmy. Keep going. Jimmy, you'd better get rid of those stompers first. They're scaring the llamas. Okay, Jimmy, let's race. Wait up, Jimmy. Jimmy, wait for me. You can't catch me. Weezer takes the lead. Weezer is the winner!